Welcome to a training video of the Recalculate Accounting Entries screen in PayPak Professional 4.0. This screen is used to recalculate accounting entries for selected batches in cases where the account assignments have been changed or accounting entry options need to be changed. So let's sign in and show you how it works. The Recalculate Accounting Entries screen is found under the Tools section of the menu. Here it is. You click on the button and here is the screen. Let's start with a look at the layout of the screen, then I will show you how it works. At top left we have a cluster of the totals here. You've got the number of posted batches, unposted batches, and deleted batches. You've got the number of them which are under admin lock and a total. Then you have a count of the selected. Now, there are some notes at the top to guide you. Only posted batches with no admin lock can be recalculated. Accounting entries for unposted batches will be automatically deleted. Accounting entries for deleted batches will be automatically deleted. Under this you have a list of the batches, and you've got the batch date, the day, the date, the payroll set, a reference, status, admin lock, and a selection option, the clearing account, the employer tax posting method, the process benefit deduction option, and totals for the entries, the standard pay total, the benefits service charge total, gross, taxes, deductions, net, and the pool amount in the case of service charge. Under that list is the list of entries for the highlighted batch. So as I highlight a batch, I highlight batch number 190. These are the entries for batch number 190. If I highlight batch number 187, these are the entries for batch 187. To the right of them there's the year list of the years, and we have batches for 2019, 2020, and 2021. Under the grids there's a progress bar which would track the progress as updates are being done, and at the very bottom of the screen there's a variety of buttons which control the functions for this screen. So let's explain what this screen does. When batches are posted, it generates accounting entries, and there are certain options which control the settings for the accounting entries. There is a video, a training video for the account assignment in PayPak Professional 4.0, and it would be helpful for you to also look at that video on account assignment, because it explains many of the concepts which will be used by this screen here. Ideally, what this screen will do is it will allow you to select batches which do not have an admin lock, because you can't, if it has an admin lock you can't change it, but you can select a batch. Let's say we go for these first three here. Sorry, that's an unposted one. I can only do it for the posted ones. Okay, so the first three, that's unposted as well. There's only two. The other posted one has an admin lock, so I can't change that. So we have two batches that we've chosen, and these are selected here, the two, and for them I could change, if I wanted to change the bank, the clearing account from the bank, I could change that maybe to, if I had maybe a separate account, maybe a payroll clearing account, or an account with a different bank number. Maybe I had more than one bank account number. I could have changed the bank account number to a different bank account. I could change the employer tax posting method option. These are set as tax expense right now. I could change it to job type if I wanted to. There's also the option to turn on or off the process benefit deduction. So I can tick that on or off. So what would happen is, once I've changed these options here, the ones that can be changed, and I recalculate, the accounting entries would be recalculated for those two selected batches. And I'll just do that now for the sake of this demo. And there you go. It's finished. There's also a mass edit button where I could click on mass edit, and for the batches that have been selected, I could set those options for all of them all in one go. So the clearing account, I could come here and change that from the ones that say bank. I could change that to maybe say cash. The employer tax posting method, where it says job type, I could change that back to tax expense because it was just changed. And the process benefit deduction, I could change those if I wanted to, because I don't have to change all three options. I just change the ones I wish to change. But let's change them back to say from no to process benefit deduction. Cool. And we apply that, and it's displayed there, and just do my recalculate again, and that's it. So the accounting entries which would have been previously generated for these batches have now been recalculated, and the entries would display based on the settings that were made here. Changes to the cash clearing account, the employer tax posting method, and the process benefit deduction option. The other buttons at the bottom, there's an all, none, and invert, which is for the selection of the batches. There's a refresh button to refresh the batches in case new batches were being posted or unposted or whatever. The status was changed by another user while you were in this screen. The settings button saves the settings mainly for the divider here, and the reset will clear the settings. The video button will open your browser and launch this training video, and the exit button will close the screen. So that is it for this video. Also note the totals at the top. There are 3 posted batches in total. One of them is under admin lock, so that leaves back a total of 2 which could possibly be changed. So this is your total, really. This is the admin lock, and this is the available amount. So it's not this plus that is that, is this minus that is that number there. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and do look out for the next training video from PayPak Professional 4.0. Thank you and take care.